functions. I am going to cover a lot today. So this warm-up is what we started in class yesterday. So this warm-up is a really good example of what I will be expecting from you in the progressing level. So to find a negative angle, so to find the angle of the least possible positive measure, coterminal with angle negative 1395. The first thing we have to do is we have to figure out where 1395 actually is. So let's do that. So I'm going to start here, the initial side, and I'm going to go down because it's a negative. So if I go, this thing is just real annoying. So I'm going to go all the way around. That's 360, all the way around again, 720, all the way around again. I'm at 1080. So 1080, I'm going to go by 90, not enough, 90, not enough, 90 more, and I'm at negative 1350, so I need to go, why is it disappearing? 45 more degrees, so about here. So I'm going to draw my ray. I don't know why my pen is acting right. I'm going to have to take this to the sports. So draw my ray. I got to remember that my angle needs an arrow there. So if that was 45 degrees, then if I start here and go positive until I get there, I'm only going to go up 45 degrees more. So it is a 45 degree angle is the least possible positive measure for the coterminal. That's coterminal with angle negative 1350. Now to do this one, you just add these all up and set them equal to 180. So you get 5x plus 4 plus x minus 2 plus 3x plus 7, and that's going to equal 180. You combine your like terms. Combine your like terms, and you end up with x is equal to 19, which means this is going to be 99 degrees, because if 5 times 19 plus 4, that's 99. And then you get 19 minus 2, which is 17 degrees. And then you can actually plug in x. You can plug in 19 for x and do 3 times 19 plus 7. Or you can do 99 plus 17, which is 116, and get to 180. So there's a couple different ways you can do that. So you end up with 64 degrees. We are going to do this next problem the same way. This is going to be complementary. These were supplementary angles. This is going to be complementary. So we're going to do x plus 3 plus x minus 1 plus x plus 1. I could put parentheses around all of these, but it doesn't change anything. The parentheses don't add or subtract. So then we end up with 1, 2, 3 x's, so 3x, and then 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, and we get, then we just, and this is all equal to, oops, I forgot to put that here, 90. degrees, sorry. So then we just solve for x, so we subtract 3, and we get 3x is equal to 87. And then we just solve for x, so go ahead and do that. And it looks like we are going to get x is equal to 29 degrees. X is equal to 29. So if we do 29 plus 3, 29 plus 3 is 32 degrees. 29 minus 1 is 28 degrees. And 29 plus 1 is 30 degrees. So that's all you have to do. Okay, so now what I would like you to do is I would like you to draw this triangle and identify the 6 trig ratios. Then you, for angles A and angle B. So that's what I want you to do. So this would be a version of the triangle you could have drawn. What matters on this triangle is that A is opposite to A and B is opposite to B. And that C, being the hypotenuse, is always going to be opposite of the right angle. So that's what's important. To check your answers, this is what you should have gotten for the sine, cosine, tangent of all of those. Oops, again, my face is in the way. Let's get it out of there. Put it there. Okay, now let's look at for angle B. So we have it. And that would be the measurements for all of those. Okay, this is where we're going to stop. So we are going to stop there, and I will have another video for you.